Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this guide, I'll show how to add cookies in your browser. Open Chrome and click the three dots menu in the top right. Select Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Cookies and Other Site Data. Toggle Allow all cookies to enable cookie storage and tracking. You can also add exceptions for specific domains using Add button. Use Clear Browsing Data to remove cookies when you want privacy. Use incognito mode to avoid saving cookies between sessions automatically. Follow the same settings path on Chromium-based browsers like Edge and Opera. Different browsers store cookies in slightly different ways, but setup is similar. Open Firefox menu and choose Settings, then Privacy and Security. Under Cookies and Site Data, choose Manage Permissions to allow sites. For Safari on Mac, open Preferences, Privacy, then uncheck Block all cookies. On iOS, open Settings, then Safari to manage cookies and tracking controls. On Android, open Chrome app, go to Settings, then Site Settings, then Cookies. You can block third-party cookies while allowing first-party cookies for functionality. If cookies are not working, try clearing cache and restarting the browser. Clear cookies and site data to resolve login or site behavior problems quickly. Check extensions and privacy settings that might block cookies or scripts needed by sites. Enable cookies temporarily to test functionality, then adjust blocking lists as needed. Use a privacy extension to selectively block trackers and third-party cookies. Test cookies using Developer Tools, Storage Panel, or Application tab for accuracy. Regularly review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.